Good morning, Sir, Madam. I am Marla Horidico, 25 years old. I am single. We are 9 in the family, and I am the youngest in the girls. I am undergraduate as a Bachelor of Nursing in the University of Iloilo. I am a Roman Catholic, and I have a working experience here in the Philippines as a domestic helper for almost 2 years. My job is cleaning the house, cook simple food, and I am willing to learn cooking Chinese food. I go to market, wash dishes and clothes, mop the floor, and I prepare school uniform for kids and help them in their assignment. My hobbies are watching TV, listening to music, and cooking also. I want to work abroad because I want to have a better future for my family. Sir, Madam, if you choose me as one of your maids, I will do all my duties and responsibilities. I am honest, patient, and hardworking. I will treat your family as my own, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract. Hope to see you soon, Sir, Madam. Thank you.